kids! Welcome to Smart Kids TV. Today we're going to learn about shapes with a special nursery rhyme. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first shape is a circle. Can you say circle? Great job! Now let's sing our special shape song.
Circle, circle, round and round. It's the shape that we have found. Rolling here and rolling there. Circle shapes are everywhere.
Next, we have a square. Can you say square? Awesome! Let's sing about the square.
A square, square with sides 4. 1, 2, 3, and then one more. All the sides are just the same. Square is this shape's name.
Here's a triangle. Can you say triangle? Excellent! Let's sing about the triangle.
Triangle, triangle, sides are 3. Count them now, 1, 2, 3. Pointy corners 3 as well. Triangles, easy to tell.
This is a rectangle. Say rectangle. Great! Let's add it to our song.
Rectangle, rectangle, long and short. 2 sides tall and 2 sides short. 4 sides in a special way.
Rectangle's what we say. Rectangle's what we say.
This shape. It's an oval. Can you say oval? Wonderful. Let's sing about the oval.
Ovals, ovals everywhere. Have to make from side to side. Long and round, not a square. Ovals, ovals everywhere. Ovals everywhere. Ovals everywhere. Ovals everywhere.
Finally, we have a star. Can you say star? Excellent. Let's finish our song with the star.
Stars star up in the sky, twinkling bright, oh my, oh my. 5 points shining oh so far, that's what makes a star.
Great job, kids. You've learned about circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, ovals, and stars. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all your shapes by heart. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Fun Learning.